User story prioritization and estimation serve as the cornerstone of successful product development. Today, we're on the brink of a transformative shift in how we approach these tasks, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence. In this video presentation, we'll explore the dynamic world of AI-driven user story prioritization and estimation. We'll see how AI's predictive capabilities and data-driven insights can reduce project delays, minimize resource wastage, and consistently meet project deadlines. Join us to discover the potential of AI to revolutionize the product development process, in a presentation that promises valuable insights and a fresh perspective. Let's go and witness the AI-driven user story prioritization and estimation in action.
Now let's explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way we prioritize and estimate user stories in software development. Let's get started. Our journey begins with prioritization and estimation. These are critical phases in Agile project management. AI takes center stage here with two key capabilities: requirement extraction and user story complexity estimation.
Could you explain how AI extracts specific requirements and estimates complexity?
Great question. AI employs natural language processing (NLP) models to extract specific requirements, acceptance criteria, and constraints from user stories. This is incredibly valuable for prioritization. Furthermore, AI estimates user story complexity based on description length, acceptance criteria, and technical jargon. Now let's move on to dependency and relationship analysis. AI plays a crucial role here by analyzing relationships between user stories to identify dependencies or cross-functional requirements. It also provides insights into the success rates of different user story types based on historical data.
I have a question. How does AI leverage historical data to analyze relationships and success rates?
AI uses historical data to find patterns and correlations between user stories, helping us understand dependencies and predict success rates based on past experiences. Moving on to predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is another exciting application of AI in Agile. AI predicts the likelihood of a user story's success or challenges by leveraging historical data and patterns.
How can predictive analytics help us in Agile project management?
Predictive analytics enables us to proactively address potential challenges and allocate resources more efficiently. It helps us stay ahead of possible roadblocks. Now let's consider collaboration and communication. AI can enhance collaboration by automating tasks like translating languages, summarizing meeting minutes, and generating reports, making communication and teamwork more efficient.
Question: how does AI automate tasks to enhance collaboration?
Excellent question. AI can understand and process languages, making it capable of automating tasks like language translation. It can also summarize meeting minutes and generate reports from discussions, saving valuable time. Thank you for your attention and your excellent questions regarding AI's role in user story prioritization and estimation.
And thank you for tuning in and watching our content. We appreciate your time and engagement. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share your views with us and fellow viewers. Thank you for being a part of our online community.